Person we don't mind, boy. When I land softly on the sofa, so far so good. Koni bajo, let me see you. Oh lo lo lo, let me see you. Oh lo lo lo.
Hello, very distinguished ladies and gentlemen. My name is Austin Mbemere from Rockview Energy. Today I'm in Port Harcourt, and of course, to do what? To supply solar power for this office. By the way, it's a memorable day for me because this is the company that gave me my first employment when I finished my NYSC. And I worked, while I was working for this company, I gave my best, I gave my all while I was at it. And when I was leaving, I also left on a very good note. So that goes to show that building quality relationship, genuine relationship is very important. And of course, when you are working for someone, you have to be sincere, you have to be genuine, and you have to offer your best service. And so that when you are out of the company, you will maintain a very good relationship with the company, and of course with the management of the company. And of course, when that happens, it's bound to bring opportunities like this that it has brought to me today. I'm providing 10 KVA solar power system for this office, and it's been coming back to this place, brings back memory, drives me down memory lane, and it's very, very important. So my name is Austin Mbemere, the innovative solution provider, and I want to provide solar power solutions for you. Thank you.
I turn up, she's sexy lady from the dance floor. Turn up, I see her waist, make a light on my KVA. Baby, come take me far away. Girl, is young, you take me far away. Always stand up, you know I'm the one they looking at. Pull up in the road, and I take for Santa Monica. No they then get post, I'm a niggas, them a rolling la, them a rolling la, Shane wole gba shoko, Shane wole gba shoko, le, making no the fuck with my, making no go fuck with my baby. Shane wole gba shoko, Shane wole gba shoko, le, me and niggas standing up, making no go fuck with my, Shakara. Shakara, it is what you want up the waist. You make me look your back, now which kind back we never see. It is your matter, you can't stingy. Ebelebe, ebelebe, yeah. Now which kind back we never see. Yeah. Always stand up, you know I'm the one they looking at. Pull up in the road, and